Hello and welcome to this brief Parent University regarding registration for returning students. If you're brand new to Elmwood Park, there's a separate video and tutorial that walks you through the process for that. This is intended for students who are currently enrolled this year and are returning next year. So to get started, you have to log into your parent Powerschool accounts. In order to do this, you can either use a link that you've bookmarked, or if you go to our homepage, epcusd401.org, you can scroll down and you can click Powerschool. When you go ahead and click that, you'll be brought to this parent sign-in portal. I already have a sample account logged in, so in your case, you would just enter your credentials, click sign in, and you'll be brought to your Powerschool account. From here on the upper left-hand side, if you have multiple children enrolled, you'll see the options to select what child you would like to start the enrollment process for. In this particular case, I have our test student, Michael, that we're going to be working with. To get going for enrollment, all you have to do is scroll down on the left-hand side of the page until you find forms. When you click that, you'll be brought to this screen that will get the registration process ready to go. The first thing you want to do, though, is click this gear on the right-hand side and enable parent notifications. This is very important because if you require any more information for registration, this is how you'll receive that notification. If you don't enable this and we require more information, you will not receive notifications. So please make sure you enable this. From here, you'll see forms that you have to fill out for enrollment. Your screen will look different than this. This is a sample student, so it has a whole bunch of different forms on it. Some of these forms are fill in the blank, some are checkboxes, some are radial buttons. This particular one up top, though, the medical form, is just an upload, so I'm just going to walk through this briefly. We'll see here that all of these say empty on the right-hand side, except this, which says pending. It says pending because I've already uploaded a document and then removed it for the point of this video. So when you go in, you typically won't get that pop-up box, but you'll read all the information, the required information. You'll click Add Document. You'll be able to browse your computer, select the document you're looking for, and click Upload. When you do that, on the right-hand side, you have the Submit button. You can just submit as is, or if you click the little arrow next to it, you can go on to the next portion of enrollment as well. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So in this particular screen, you would go ahead and enter this information, add more documents, and then proceed with registration. You know you're good with registration when all of the items on the right-hand side of the screen have switched from empty to pending. Once our registration team has a chance to review all the documents and approved, this will go from pending to approved, and you'll be all set for registration for next year. We think the process is really easy this year because it lives inside Powerschool, and all you have to do is just go down the list of things that are there for your student. When you finish one student, if you have more children in the district, go ahead and just select them and repeat the process for each of those children. If you require any assistance logging into Powerschool, please reach out to your building secretary. And if you have any questions in general, please reach out as well. I'm Aaron Selmer, Director for Instructional Technology. Thank you very much for tuning in.